Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Okay, so this is going to be the second time that I filmed this video because I filmed it a few minutes ago and I went to go edit it and rewatch it to make sure that everything was good, and you couldn't even hear me. I had my volume turned up and I was over here like, what are you even saying? What are you even saying? What? Speak up. Speak up. So we're going to do it again. So I have already seen everything in the box, but it's okay. So I hope you can hear me. I'm sorry if you can't. I'm not talking quietly, so. Anyways, so me and my husband, we went out this morning to run our errands, and this was in the mailbox, so we're going to do this today. And the package is really cute. It's like pink on the bottom, and it actually says magic is inside, so it's really cute. And I like how this is like a pretty little tealish bluish pink. It's really cute. I like it. Alright, so if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Birchbox, then keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red subscribe button down below and the notification bell right next to it. That way you can always be notified of my uploads, which are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come on back to my channel on those days for new content. And without further ado, let's just see what's in this box. Alright, loves. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is this Nature Queen Root Nourishing Serum. And it came with a little dropper and everything. It's really cool. I have a deluxe size sample of the shampoo and conditioner. I don't remember who I got it from. Obviously one of these, but I don't remember even. I want to say it's about yay big. Obviously a little bit thicker than this, but I haven't used it yet. I need to, but apparently this goes with it. It's a hair serum. If you've tried this, let me know. And the directions state to it says for best results use daily, and it says to gently massage on the scalp and leave on. It says apply 5 to 10 drops of serum onto desired scalp areas, gently massage into scalp and leave on for best results. Use twice daily. But on this paper, which I'll get to in a second, it says differently. But like I said, we'll get to that in a second. But if you've tried this, let me know. I may have to, because I wonder if it's good for dry scalp. I'll have to look this up and see what's up with it. But I do think it's cool that it came with a little dropper. I don't know why. This is kind of intriguing to me. Am I the only one? Okay, the next thing I see, this really intrigued me. The Ico London Brow Liner in the shade Medium, Shape and Define. This is really cool. Yeah. So, it says water resistant liquid brow color. Let's see. You can't really see it, obviously, because it's supposed to be for your brows, but it's got the same kind of tip as the regular eyeliner, which I do not like for eyeliner, but whatever. So, but I'm very intrigued about this, so if you'd like to see a video featuring this, let me know down below, and I will do that for you. Then the next thing I see are these Facility Makeup Magnet Wipes, makeup cleansing wipes using micellar water. I actually pulled one out earlier to wipe that off, and I'm just going to use that one again because it's sitting right here to wipe that off. But and look how small they are. They're so cute. I don't know why this is intriguing to me, but the size of that's really cute. There's 10 sheets in here. Now there's 9 because I took one out earlier. Have y'all tried these? Let me know. They didn't have a smell or anything like that, but I'm always interested in makeup wipes. So, and the next thing I see is, and I don't know how to say this woman's name. I'm probably gonna butcher it. It's Lise Watier. Wait, I don't know. Hydro Force BB Cream. You tried this, let me know. I've never even heard of it. Can you see that? Yeah, it's I think it's a BB cream. The next thing I see is a literal sunscreen. And look how small this little package is, you guys. It's so cute. Like, it's so little. Why am I so intrigued by little things? I don't know. It says, Love Sun Body. Natural mineral sunscreen, no chemical filters. SPF 30, ultimate daily defense, 100% natural origin of total. Fragrance free. It says other stuff, but I can't hardly read. I think it says it's vegan, which is kind of awesome. I might consider putting this on my face because I do need a facial sunscreen. I mean, I have a couple in there, but you always need something. You always need sunscreen on your face and neck, chest, you know, body, of course, but that's a little bit harder to do than that utilizes a lot of sunscreen. Okay, so that's all that was in the box. Let's go back to the paper. Okay, so we're looking at the ICO brow liner. It retails for $20. This waterproof brow liner fills in sparse spots and defines each hair to make arches appear naturally fuller, which is what I need. Apply using short strokes from the start of your brow, moving outward. And the least, I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry, y'all. It's a Hydro Force BB cream in the color light medium, and it retails for $40. Which, in my opinion, that is very expensive for a BB cream. Of course, I pay $38 for that CC cream, but it does lots of different things. I buy that a lot. I might try it and just, I might decide it's worth the $40. I don't know. It says, this BB cream hydrates, adds light coverage, and strengthens your skin's moisture barrier thanks to the brand's signature Gasp algae. I don't know if I said that right or not. I know I said algae right, but a weather-resilient seaweed. The Love Sun Body Natural Origin Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30, fragrance free, full size is $32. That's kind of an expensive sunscreen, I feel like. Protect your face and body with this fragrance free formula, which delivers non-streaky mineral SPF 30. Apply generously 30 minutes before sun exposure. So you can apply this to your body, like your visible like arms and chest and parts of your legs, you know, maybe depending on what you're wearing, ankles, your whole leg, you know. Of course, most sunscreens say 15 minutes before sun exposure. This one says 30 minutes before sun exposure. And the Nature Queen Root Nourishing Serum, which retails for $60. That's a lot for a nourishing hair serum. Stimulate your scalp with this serum infused with 9 herbs known to promote healthy hair growth from the root. Apply a few drops to the scalp, massage, and rinse thoroughly. See, now that's where I have kind of issues with that, because on here it says to rinse it thoroughly, and on there it says to leave it in and to apply twice a day. So which one is it? Which one do I do? I don't want to put it in there and it make my hair wet or mess up my hair. I don't know. And the Fasanti Makeup Magnet Wipes, full size, are $12, which is not that bad. These micellar water infused makeup wipes gently remove makeup, oil, and grime from the skin, even the sensitive eye area, without drying out your complexion. Okay, so I think this is kind of an interesting box. Definitely, I need to know exactly how to use this so I can use it. Because it says 2 different ways. I don't know. But you always need a sunscreen, for sure. And I'm interested in trying this. Definitely. And I'm very intrigued by this. Because, yeah. I might have to do a video on this. And of course, so far, I only used one wipe. I'm interested in see how these work when you have makeup on. Alright, and like I said before, I think I said it before. I know I said it in the other video, but if I didn't in this one, let me know if you'd like to see a video featuring this. I might do it anyway, because I am interested in this. And I might do a video on this too. I don't know. I've got several samples that I need to do videos on and whatnot. I just haven't been wearing... when it's summertime and fall, I guess, technically, I don't wear a whole lot of makeup because I don't absolutely need it. I'm not trying to brag. I'm just being honest. I have pretty good skin, thanks to my mama. I don't need a whole lot of makeup. The main thing I normally do is just spot concealing and whatnot. In fact, if you'd like a video on my everyday makeup that I do if I do makeup, then just let me know. I'd be glad to do that for you. Alright, y'all, so I guess that was the end of this box. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please let me know down below in the comments what boxes you get, and 2, what was in them, because I'm dying to know. It's always interesting to see what everybody gets in their boxes. See, you know, the different profiles and everything and whatnot, and if they actually read it and everything, so... Alright, so I guess that's the end of this one. Please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so come on back to my channel on those days for new content, and I guess I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, loves. Bye. Hello, everyone. What was that? Hello, everyone. Okay, so this is going to be the second time. Whoops. Let's try this again. Yeah, let's see what's in this box since I already know because I already filmed this. Have y'all tried these? Let me know. Have y'all tried these? Let me know. Okay, and the Vasanti, why am I sound like I've been running a marathon? Like, what? I'm so weird. I know. Not a bad box. Probably not the best that I've gotten, but I did get a lot of cool products. Like this, and you always need a sunscreen. And I'm interested in this. Definitely. The baby. The BB cream. I'm very interested in that. And so I guess this was kind of an interesting box. I said it wasn't that great, and now I gotta pull out every single thing in here, and I'm like, oh, this was interesting. Oh, this was interesting. Destin, get with it. Oh my god.